What's going on, guys? I'm back here again today. Another Audi Volkswagen video for you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change the key fob battery on your Audi A3 or S3 or probably any other late model Audi key fob. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to have to get this plastic cover off there. So what I would suggest is go ahead and do a little thug life action here with this switchblade, like you're ready to stab somebody with a prison shank. And then you're going to go ahead and take a look. See if I can show you guys. Grab yourself a little tool, like a flathead. This is just like something that you can use to pry here. So if you look real carefully, you see right in there, this little tab, you push this up and that will basically give you a little bit of space here so you can pry this cover off. So let's go and do that. So you can see there, see it started to lift up a little bit, that cover. Just give this a little pry. Once you get this up here, you've got that cover to basically separate a little bit. Flip this around, kind of pry back in here. Alright, so you see we got that cracked open. Alright, so now that has removed your battery cover. And just to show you guys real quick, I'm going to give you guys the part number for the replacement battery for these Audi key fobs. So I bought this directly from an Audi dealership. You can see that right there is a Sony CR2032. So just in case you guys want to know exactly what battery it is, again, you can see that on the inside here. It's what we're replacing. So what you can do there is you kind of just push this in a little bit like that, so we can pry this battery out. So just kind of give it a little nudge in there, and this thing will just fly on out of there. Old battery is out. Set that aside. Let's see the inside of the key fob. Let's go and open this up real quick. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look here. Alright, so basically what you want to do is take your battery and just slide it underneath these two little prongs. You guys see that right there? These two little prongs right here. And we'll slide the battery under there. Just push it in like that. So see, now this battery is nice and flat in there. That's how you know you did it correctly. And then from there you can go ahead and reinstall your cover. Go ahead and snap this guy back on here like so. Just like that. You can undo your little prison shank switchblade, and there you go. We have now successfully replaced the key fob battery. Well, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Hit it with a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Go ahead and subscribe for more if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.